What's up, everyone? Alright, we've got a Honda Civic 97 CX 1.6 liters. We're going to be changing out the caliper today. Pretty straightforward process. Get the wheels out. You've got a number 12 down at the bottom here, and you've got 17s, two 17s. There's going to be one here and one back here. Can't see it because this bolt's in the way. First off, we're going to get off this guy. So after that's been removed, this swivels up and slides off. Just push it out. There you go. Careful of this brake hose here. You don't want that to break. We're gonna have to be removing that in a bit. Let's just set this to the side for now. I'm gonna leave it right here. Okay, we've got our brakes. Let's take those out. All right. The back is the one with this guy right here. That's what squeals when it warns you that the brake's gonna run out. All right. So once the pads go all the way down, it starts scratching on this thing, saying, "Hey man, you gotta change your brakes soon." All right. So now we've got access to the 17s here. 1 and 2. Let's get those two out. All right, here's the new caliper. Put the hardware on. Let me show you guys how the hardware goes on. See that? The tabs on the outside. This is the top, all right? This is the top. Both sides. And this is the bottom. Looks just like that. Open it up. This is the bottom. So that's the top. Put the hardware in. And let's put this baby back in. Alright, get the new caliper back in. I guess the challenge would just be matching this hole with this, but that's about it. This new caliper is on. Now we got to transfer this brake hose. This is a number 14. As soon as you take this thing out, you're gonna have brake fluid coming out, so get ready for that. But I'm gonna transfer it as quick as possible into the new one. Yours might have this. It's got a little thing here just covering the hole. Take that out. And I'm gonna unscrew this, stick it in there as quickly as possible. Lift up your caliper, get your brake pads back in. If I can get it in. Put the top in first. Sneak the bottom in. Just like that. back in. Sensors on top, just like this. Get the top part in, and then the bottom. Get the top part first. There you go. Pull your caliper this way. You're probably wondering why you can't bring this back, because you've got to push this in to do that. Easy. You're probably wondering why we changed it. Well, the old one was leaking. Oh jeez. It was leaking in there. So we had brake fluid coming out, and the brakes weren't evenly being used up because brake fluid was leaking there. Yep. Alright you guys, we've got to bleed the brakes a little bit. So first off, open up the brake reservoir here. Take out this little plastic thing. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that there's no air inside here. It's a number 10. So we're just going to loosen it a little bit. Just like that. Let some of the brakes come out. Just a second. Usually what you can do is you can let someone, oh, it's already coming out. Okay, that's good. Someone go inside the car and pump the brakes. Catch the brake fluid that's coming out, because yeah, this stuff's really bad for like plastic and stuff. So let the brakes come out. That's good. And we'll close it. We'll tighten that guy. And close it up. We're done, guys. Check the brake fluid. It's not good. Just top it off. But that should be it, you guys. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Quick video. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.